Hi everyone, this is my small art haul unboxing and all goods came from Amazon. Here I have a set of acrylic paints. I don't know anything about this brand, I just liked the idea of muted colors. I already tried to purchase this one at Jerry Artarama and I wasn't successful, so I'm happy that finally I got this set and I'm really eager to try these colors. Next I have a set of synthetic brushes for gouache and for acrylic paint. They are of different sizes and shapes. It was a lightning deal on Amazon and all reviews were quite positive, so I got it very cheap. Next, I purchased two sets of Spectrum Noir pencils. First one is Watercolor set and second one is 24 regular pencils. For a long time I wanted to test this brand and I think that they have pretty interesting selection of colors, interesting set, so I decided to start from these two and I hope to test them and to compare them to other pencils brand and to give you my opinion about these pencils. So I got 10 brushes here in this set. They are made from nylon. They are of medium softness, perfect for gouache and acrylic, and of course they are not suitable for watercolors. I'm glad that I got flat brushes, filbert rounded brushes, and also angle brushes. I didn't have them in my stash yet. Smallest brushes are protected with this plastic cup, so I think that it's a perfect set for beginners and I like size and surface of brush handle. You know, some time ago I hadn't realized how important is size and shape of the brush. And I'm glad that now, thanks to my patrons, I have great set for watercolor paints and for acrylic and gouache paints. Next, let's have a look at this acrylic paint set. These paints don't have any brand name or any information about paints. I just liked cover design and idea of muted colors and I needed them for couple of my coloring books. If these paints are at least of decent quality, I already know 10 projects where these colors will be a perfect match. Package is not bad, they arrived safely. We have 12 colors by 21 millimeters. Tubes are metallic, I believe, pretty heavy. I'm especially interested in orange, red and orange gray and red gray colors. And paints are manufactured in China. We don't have any information about light fastness, about opacity, so it's not very good. maybe they are not even of the student quality, maybe they are more for designs, but still I love color choice and they were quite cheap. I saw that this manufacturer also have a similar set of oil paints and reviews were quite positive, but I really liked I wished that they put at least some information about opacity on this tube, but it will be interesting to test. Next, let's go to the pencils. I wanted to test this pencil brand for a long time. I heard some bad things about them, that they are fragile and impossible to sharpen, but I also heard a lot of positive reviews about beautiful color selection, for example. They have at least 5 different sets, I believe, and you could purchase same colors or in watercolor or in regular pencils. I decided that I need sets with greens, of course. To extend my collection of natural greens, it could never be too much greens. And I thought that I also need brown and blue violet selection because I use them in almost each of my works. At least my pencils arrived safely. All pencil cores and metal box were undamaged. And another thing which I really love about these pencils, pretty romantic names of colors. This is a natural set and I am glad that all colors are muted, not excessively bright. Pencils are thicker than Prismacolors and they resemble different color softs, for me at least. I wasn't very impressed by the quality of the wood, but I will give you my opinion after my first try to sharpen them. And they really look very adorable, very pretty. I love these colors. Among all regular pencil sets, I choose this one, which is called Shade and Tone, and of course I fall in love with these violet and blue colors. I hope that all pencils will resemble colors which we have on the package. Again, everything arrived safely. All cores are undamaged. I really want to compare regular pencils with watercolor pencils, their softness, their ability to layer, to cover surface, so it will be very interesting test. But I'm a little bit worried about their colors because here we have this periwinkle pencil which I saw at the package, and you can see that here we have absolutely different color, nothing similar at all. So I think that I really need to do a color test and to create my own color palette. But it's not very good. And also barrels of the pencils have more gray color, but on the package we had a lot of brown colors. So again, it's a slight difference between package and pencils themselves. So it's difficult to say my opinion yet before I tested them. At least they have interesting, inspiring names. I am very happy with all my purchases. I am sure that I will able to use them in my coloring book. I am already have in mind a lot of projects for them to test, to compare, and to tell you my opinion about them. Thank you for sharing my joy, and as usual, huge thank you to all my patrons and to everyone who purchased via my affiliate link. That's you who gave me this possibility to purchase new art supplies and to try something new. I wish you happy summer days. See you soon. Bye.